So we go to number 6. The square of sum of two consecutive positive even integers. Okay. So if one integer is n, now the other integer is n plus 2. So this is two consecutive positive integers. Now, what's the meaning of the square of the sum? Square of the sum, we add these two positive even integers together. This is sum, and this is the square of the sum. Okay. Now it's greater than the sum of their squares. What's the meaning of sum of their squares? This is the square of one integer, and this is another the square of another integer. So this is sum of the squares. Okay. Now which one is bigger? Now this one is bigger than that by 48. So we have this equation. Okay. Now let me present it. Number 6. Now you may let n plus 2 be the two integers. Okay. n and n plus 2 be the two integers. Okay. Now the sum of the square of the sum. This is the sum. This is square of the sum is bigger than the sum of the square. This is the sum of the square. Okay. So this is square of the sum. This is sum of the square. This one bigger by 48. So we have this very important quadratic equation of n. Now you may let x, of course, x, this is x plus 2, but in maths, many mathematicians let n be the integer. So this is 2n plus 2 square minus n square minus n plus 2 square is equal to 48. And expand it, we have 4n square plus 8n plus, and then minus 4 minus n square. Expand this, we have, now be careful because this is minus, so all things inside are minus. Minus n square minus 4n minus 4 is equal to 48. Okay. This is cancel out. 4n minus minus, we have 2n square remain, and we have plus 4n, 8n minus becomes positive, and then put the 48 to the left hand side. We have this quadratic equation. Okay. Divide both sides by 2. We have this quadratic equation, and factorize. We have n 6 4. This is positive, so this is positive and negative. So we have n is equal minus 6. Now we need to reject it because n is positive, or n is equal to 4. So the two integers are, one is 4, another is 6. Okay. Now I would like you to do 7 and 8.